Yeah, started.
Started, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where this will
Okay.
be
Now
saved here?
it will be saved on your system directly. You just see वो
Direct, no?
तीन file open हो जाएगा. Once you close recording, no, it will be
Okay.
automatically saved.
Okay, ma'am.
Then you rename it today's
Yeah, yeah.
DSD lecture 6. Okay.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
I'll tell you how you will share it to me later. Okay.
Okay.
You have Gmail ID, no? So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
through Gmail you can share.
Okay,
I'll
ma'am.
tell you that later on. Okay.
Okay,
So now let us do the second case. So adding of a positive value with a negative value when the negative number has a higher magnitude. See, all these cases are same like one's
same.
complement.
Yeah, yeah.
Only for
Little
two's
bit
complement,
difference.
little bit different will be there.
Yeah.
So now see, I'm adding a positive value with a negative value when my negative has a higher magnitude. So my answer should be a negative one. So what we do is initially add the positive value with the two's complement of the negative number. So see, whichever is the negative number, no, we are either subtracting or adding a negative number. We always start with that. So whichever is the negative number, you find out the two's complement of the number and then you add to the positive number.
Positive number.
So
Yes.
obviously, since you are adding a negative number, which is having a more value, you will not get a carry
Yeah.
in this
Yeah.
case because the number is more negative.
More negative.
So what we will do is, so here I am not getting an end around carry. Previous case, I was getting an end around carry. We
And
were
even neglecting
neglecting
it.
that and writing the answer as it is.
Yeah.
Now here I'm not getting an end around carry. So what we are doing is, whatever is my answer, we take the two's complement of the answer to get the final result.
Okay. Plus
In the
one.
third step, it is a different. Okay, so and obviously the result is a negative
Negative.
value. So whichever is my more negative number, I find out the two's complement of that number. I add it to the positive number.
Positive number.
Here I will not get an end around carry. So with that answer, what I do, I find out two's complement of that answer. And that is my answer. And I'll say that it is a negative answer. So this is my case 2. Okay. So let us do an example. So adding of a positive value with a negative value when the negative number has a higher magnitude. So here you can see the second number is having more magnitude, minus 1, 1, 0. Yes. And so we add 1, 1, 0, 1 and minus 1, 1, 1. Yes. So find out the two's complement of the negative number. So 1's complement is 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 10. 0 carry 1. So 2's complement comes out to be 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, then you add this 2's complement with the 1, 1, 0, 1. So here you are not getting a end around carry. Okay, now so your answer is 1, 1, 1, 1. So no carry. So what you will do, you will find out the 2's complement. So to find out find out 2's complement, what we do, 1's complement.
0 plus 1.
0
So equals
plus
to
1.
0, 0, 1.
0, 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, easy? Yeah, and this answer is a negative answer. So put a negative or write that it is a negative number. Both ways.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was my case 2. Now let us go to case 3, addition of two negative numbers. So what we do is, since I have two negative numbers, we will find out whichever was my negative number, I used to find out the complement of it. So here I have two negative numbers. So we will find the two's complement of both the negative numbers. Okay, so I'm finding out the two's complement of both the negative numbers. Now I add both these complement numbers. Now here there will be two cases. So if we get an end around carry, it will be added to the LSB. And whatever is my final result, take the two's complement of the result. So write this step, then we will go ahead. So take the two's complement of both the negative numbers, add both the complement numbers. Suppose you get an end around carry, you will add to the LSB and then again take the 2's complement. So you are doing here both the things. Adding the end around carry as well as taking the 2's complement. So you are combining both the results of case 1 and case 2 over here.
Yeah.
So let us.
Okay,
So the example -1101 and you are adding -1110 in a 5-bit register. So since it is a 5-bit register, on the MSB side of both the numbers, you will add 1 0. आगे एक एक 0 लगाना है.
Yeah.
So you find out the 2's complement of both the negative numbers. Since both the numbers are negative, you find out the 2's complement of both the numbers.
Yeah.
Now once you find out 2's complement, find it out nicely. Both 1's complement plus 1. Now do it. So you should be getting the one which is written in this violet color.
0011. First.
See, आगे एक 5-bit register करना है ना, तो दोनों numbers के आगे एक 0 लगाना है. That is. So 1, 2, 3. So the one which is written in bold, 2's complement of the number. पीछे वाला number पहले लिखा है 0 1 1 1 0. So 2's complement, just check the answer you are getting as 1 0 0 1 0 or not. And the first number is written in the last. So 0 1 1 0 1 ka 2's complement should come out to be 1 0 0 1 1. Just check. 1's complement nikal lo wo number ka and then immediately add 1. And see that 2's complement should match. Yours and mine. Both should match.
0 0 1 1 first ka. I'm not getting it. पहले वैल्यू का -1101, ठीक है.
Wait. Just a moment. See, which one you are doing?
Now the first value, that is -1101. So उसका 2's complement.
1101 के आगे. हाँ, उसके आगे 5-bit register लगाया. So 0 1 1 0 1. हाँ. So yes. So that उसका 1's complement becomes 1 0 0 1 0. 1 0 0 1 0.
तो उसका हाँ मैम आ गया.
So to it you add 1.
0 0 1. हाँ 1 0 0 1 1.
हाँ. Now do the second one. So 0 1 1 1 0 का 1's complement. So you have
0 0 1
1 0 0 0 1 plus 1. Yeah. So 1 plus 1 10, carry 1.
Yes ma'am. 0 0 1 0.
Yeah. So 1 0 0 1 0. Yes. Now you add both the numbers. So you have found out 2's complement of both the negative numbers. And now you add it.
1 0 0 1 0 with add with 1 0 1 carry.
So you will get a carry.
Yes ma'am.
So what
Carry,
we are
carry.
doing is, see here, what we are doing is, we get a carry. So this carry is discarded. We are not adding it to the LSB. So this carry is discarded, and whatever is that remaining answer, na 0 0 1 0 1, we find out the 2's complement of that answer. So carry को हटाना है और remaining जो bits है उसका 2's complement. So 2's complement of 0 0 1 0 1, you do it. It should be 1 1 0 1 1.
Yeah.
And since we are adding two negative numbers, the answer is 1 1 0 1 1.
Yes,
will be a negative number. Yes? Okay. Now, so addition using 2's complement, 3 cases were there. Now subtraction using 2's complement. So this was the last. Yes. So what you do is you find the 2's complement of the subtrahend, means whichever you are minusing, that's the 2's complement, nikalo. You add that complement number with the minus. If we are getting carry by adding
Then
both the number and we discard this carry.
Discard the
And
carry
the result,
and that one's 2's complement.
and take 2's complement of the result, which will be negative. Okay, so you are writing this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So again we take an example, 01 minus 00111. Whichever is the subtrahend, we take the 2's complement of that subtrahend. Then we add.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we got a carry. We discard that carry, and the remaining is my answer. And it is a positive one.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this completes your addition and subtraction using your 1's complement and 2's complement. Okay, so sometimes it might be confusing, but you revise it, so then it will be clear. Okay. This is, do the second example. Subtraction using, it is different, no? 1 0 1 0 1 0. Yes, do it. The first example was with a carry. The second one is without a carry. Yes. So again, take the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Add both. Here we didn't get a carry, so take the 2's complement of the result, and that will be your negative answer.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it's a negative value. And the answer is 00010. Okay. Now the last two topics, we will be finishing with the first chapter. Short note type of question might come is the gray code. Okay, so what is a gray code? Gray code is actually, no need to write this. I'll tell you how to write a gray code, and then these things you can read it out later. So gray code is a sequence of binary number system, which is also known as reflected binary code. Okay, now the reason for calling this code as reflected binary code is the first n by 2 value compared with those of last n2 values in reverse order. See, if you write a number and opposite side, if you write the mirror image, okay, so that's why it is, reflect. So suppose if I have 8 numbers, okay, 0 to 7. So 0 to 3 you are writing, and the remaining one is like a reflection. Okay, so that is why it is called as reflected code. Now, the third sentence is very important, and that is will tell you how you are writing the code. So you have to remember this third point in mind. In this code, 2 consecutive values are differed by only 1 bit of binary digit. मतलब suppose if 0 1 you are changing, suppose you have 2-bit binary digit 0 1, the next digit it cannot be 1 0. Why? Because देखो 0 1 है and next bit 1 0 करोगे तो क्या होगा, 2 bit change हो गया ना, 0 भी 1 हो गया और 1 भी 0 हो गया. So you cannot do this. Okay, so only one bit at a time will change, and when you do this, when you see the series, I'll show you. At that time, when you write in the order, एक ही bit को change करना है, and then automatically जो आधा portion रहेगा, when you write the binary 2-bit, 3-bit, 4-bit, it comes like a reflection. So this is what you have to remember. Only between two consecutive values, it is changing by only 1 bit. Now, gray codes, where they are used in general sequence of hardware which are generated by a binary number. So if you had done lab, we would have told you ki design a gray code, so that when in the LEDs you see, you can see those gray codes coming like 0 1 1 0 1 1. So those LEDs are switching on and off. So when we do in practical, it is how I tell you design a counter from binary counter, okay, 0 to 10. So वो जो binary digits है 1 0 1 1 जो position रहता है, those LEDs will be on and off. 1 वाले on रहेंगे, 0 वाले off रहेंगे. So automatically that counter, yes, 0 to 9, and again it will start counting. So this is how we do in practical. So I don't know whether this time it is possible or not. Okay. Now here, last sentence, this numbers causes ambiguities or error when the transition from one number to successive number is done. See, many times we forget कि we have to change 1 bit at a time. तो MSB वाला change करूँ या LSB वाला. So you might feel अरे last वाला bit क्यों, मैम ने बोला एक ही bit change करना है, तो let me change the MSB one. No, don't do it. You start with the LS. Try to change the LSB first. Otherwise, everybody will generate a different code, and once you can generate ambiguously means what? वो reflection नहीं दिखेगा. If you just stick with कि okay, I am supposed to change any bit at a time, so कहीं पे भी sequence में I simply change that 1 bit and you do it. You will get all those 16 combinations. But what will happen if I'm going with 0 to 15 ka number? Okay, but what will happen? You cannot see that reflection or the mirror image. Okay, so we will see how you will change 1 bit at a time. There is a technique how you will change, so that once you get the entire representation, then you can see कि ऊपर वाला जो है, the first and 15th one is same, second one and 14th one is same, third and 13th one is same. So that way you can identify that there is a reflection. So now let us see with example. Okay, how to generate a gray code. I'm not telling you the steps, because if you see all the steps, you will be confused. So let me show you with a small example. Now, when suppose my bit is 1, n means the number of bit. Okay, so the first case on the left hand side, n is 0, n is 1. So what will be my first value? 0. And the second value is 1. So nothing much is shown over here. कुछ समझ में ज्यादा नहीं आता. Suppose I take n is equal to 2 means 2 bits. अभी 2 है means I have 2 raised to 2 मतलब 4 combination of these 2 bits position. तो 4 combination, if you see the table that you have written in binary, अगर 2 bit लेंगे 4 bit है, 4 bit. So 0 0 usually, then we write 0 1 1 0 1 1. हाँ, बट यहाँ पे देखो हमने वैसा लिखा है क्या? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 नहीं, because this is not that binary code. It is the gray code. Now, what is there in gray code? 1 bit is changed at a time. Okay, so let us start with the first one. N equal to 2 के नीचे देखो. So I obviously start with 0 0. Okay, after 0 0, then I have to change 1 bit. The most obvious one is 0 0 के बाद तो 0 1 है. Now once I write 0 1, okay, 0 remained as 0. MSB वाला, LSB का जो last bit है, I changed from 0 to 1. So yes, I followed the rule that 1 bit has been changed. Now the usual trend is I write 1 0. But अगर 1 0 मैं लिखने जाऊंगी तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0 1 हो गया and ऊपर का 1 0 हो गया. So I cannot, the third answer cannot be 1 0 because 2 bits are changing at a time. So what I do, LSB I keep as it is. मतलब जो 1 है, I keep 1 as same. And MSB I am changing. So 0 I am making it as 1. So the next answer is 1 1. Now what I do? The third answer is 1 1. So 0 0 0 1 1 1.
तो लास्ट बिट चेंज
Now what I do? Yes. What I do is 1 1. I have to change only one bit at a time. Now 0 1 तो already आ चुका है. Yes. So what I do? The MSB I keep it as 1 and LSB I make it as 0. Yes. Okay. Now similarly you write for n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3. See how they have written over here 1 0 1 1 0 1. ये repeat किया है. Exactly reflection. You can see the reflected point. Yes. Now you go to n is equal to 3 wala column. So all 3 0 0 0 0. Next step you change one bit.
तो लास्ट
So 0 0 1
हो जाएगा.
Yes. And then
फिर उसके बाद
0 1 1.
1 1 तो 1 0 1 1.
Then you are making it 10. 1 0 करते हो. So 0 1 0. Then 1 0 you keep as it is. अभी देखो, once you know there are 8 numbers, 2 raised to 3 is 8. So पहला 4 तो 0 हो गया, MSB. The next MSB will be remaining 4 का automatically वो 1 1 1 ही रहेगा. Okay. So 1 जो fourth step है 1 2 3 4, that is 0 1 0. So 1 0 you keep as it is, and then you change the MSB 1 2. So 1 1 0. Now what you do is देखो इसमें 1 1 1 immediately is coming, because see what I am doing is I am just making the last ka 0 1. So 1 1 is there and I am getting third one. So 1 1 1. Yes. Okay. Then what I do, middle that
middle
1. Yes.
Middle का 0 हो जाएगा.
And then the last bit, I make it 0. Now see, arrange it the way they have drawn. You can see 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and exactly they have repeated it. Reflection है नीचे center से. So the first bit, last bit is same. Second last bit and the second bit is same. That way. And n is equal to 2 को 2 बार copy किया ऊपर नीचे same, and ऊपर 4 बार 0 लगाया, 4 बार नीचे 1 लगाया. Exactly it is same. Like exam, if you don't want to waste time in remembering and counting, and they tell you write a gray code or they tell you to explain. So this is, you will give an example, this slide, and you will, because usually a short code will come. Yes. So don't go for n is equal to 4 and all. Go with n equal to 1, 2, 3, and that point of reflection, wherever that it is reflected, no, वो एक mark कर देना. So it becomes easy. Okay, so if that 40-minute session gets over, automatically disconnect हो जाएगा, stop recording हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, and then it will be automatically saved in your desktop. You just check that. Okay. Now this was all the procedure. Now here you can see the decimal number 0 to 15 है, binary number you already know how we have written. Just see the gray code, how it is written. One bit is changing at a time.
Okay, yeah.
So 16 numbers are there. To starting का 8, 0 to 7 का 0 रहेगा MSB, पीछे के सारे 1 रहेंगे, और अभी जो 3 bit वाले हैं that will be repeated. So you write this nicely, this gray code. You can write it at home. Okay. Now I don't think time is permitted. I don't know. There's the last topic left is BCD code. It is called as 8421 code. Now see, when decimal you were converting to binary, what we were doing, we were dividing it by 2. And how binary was converted to decimal from the from the LSB, what we used to do, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 ऐसे जा रहा था. So looking at this 8421, you might feel अरे ये तो binary number ही है, क्योंकि see 2 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 4 is 2 raised to 3 is 8. So 842 and then binary are both same? No, they are not same. Now what is the difference between the binary code and the BCD code is, like suppose you have, I'll give you an example. suppose the decimal number 1895 is given. Okay, base 10. So that is my decimal number. Now what we used to do in binary was we used to divide 1895 by 2. Okay, so we used to divide by 2 till the quotient was 0. And then whatever it was a strings of ones and zeros pura. So the limit was not there. Ki kitna ones and zeros wo hoga. But what we do in BCD is जो 1895 it is 8421 code. So 1 जो है 1895 का 1 we are representing it as 0001. Okay. That is my first. So 4-bit representation of 1. Akela. Then the next one is 8. Okay. 8 how I am writing 1000. So separately I am writing 8. 9 how I am writing 1001.
Okay.
And 5 how I am writing 0101. So this is how we are writing in your BCD 8421 representation. Like suppose I give you number 13, like the next example is suppose I give you number 13. Okay, now that if you are converting to decimal number, it is 1101. Okay, yes. But suppose if I go for a BCD notation, what I will do, 1 I'll write it separately.
1 is separate and 3 is
001 and 3 is separately, that is 0011.
0011.
Okay, so with this there are a lot of disadvantages because see if you see the number of bits required in BCD code is more compared to a binary code. Binary we had only 4 bit, but the same 13 number in BCD is occupying 8-bit position. Okay, so what happens? The arithmetic operations and all usually becomes more complex compared to your binary number because binary here you can see the number of bits is less. And here since we are dealing with 8 bits, obviously the memory required is more. And plus we are not going into much deeper, but for BCD addition and all there are some illegal states. Like the 6 states are there which are not illegal. No such numbers exist for BCD system. So we are not going into much deeper, but BCD system has disadvantage compared to your simple binary number. But still in some machines or somewhere, some places microprocessor, they go with this BCD code. Okay. So they are there even though the circuitry is complex and all, but still BCD codes are there. Okay, so this is your BCD codes. So just take an example. Represent 28 in decimal and 53 in decimal in 8421 BCD notation. So this might be your question that comes in the exam.
Okay.
So 28 in decimal. So what you will do? 2 you will write separately. 8 you will
8
write
separately. Okay.
And then 5 separately, 3 separately. Okay, 4-bit. 8421 is 4-bit.
Should I do it?
I just write the question, do it. So this completes your this is your summary. BCD system offers relative ease of conversion. Okay, because it's very easy, nothing to divide and all. Like binary, if you are converting, we have to divide. But that conversion here is simple. BCD code. Okay, because machine readable format, human readable numerals, it is easy. Okay, but what happens? The circuit complexity increases. So the BCD system is not as widely used today as it was few decades ago. Okay, although as I have said, some systems still employ BCD where in financial application. So this is the completion of your first chapter. So number system and conversion. So next lecture onward, we will start with, just a moment. So we will start with, I'll start my video. You can see me. So next lecture onward, we will start with logic gates. So the symbols and the something called as truth table will be there. So understand that, because see, this is the number conversion. Now, whatever we do from the next lecture, it is all regarding your practical. Once you understand these gates, your work
Hello.
with those IC. So it will.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello. I
So
just got
practice all these problems.
stuck. Okay. Ma'am.
Can you hear now?
Yeah. 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 Ma'am.
Yes. So next, these were all numericals that we did in the first chapter. Next is you will learn many new things. All these binary arithmetic operations will be there. Plus
Okay.
all those ICs like building components, building blocks of digital system components. So you will be studying in the next. Again, many laws you will study. So it's quite interesting and easy also, because finally it is this, once you know how to add and subtract 0 plus 0, 0 minus 1. Okay, that is
Yeah.
what we will be using in all
Yeah.
these relations. So,
Okay.
so we'll continue in the next lecture.
Yes. Ma'am. Okay.